Hey, Carolyn Porter here, and this video is on how to install or add Google Analytics to your blog, and that is your new Empower Network blog as well as any other kind of WordPress blog if you do not have Empower Network. So if you're on an Empower Network blog, you need to be on your edit view blog. You cannot do it from your activity screen because that's just where you blog. And in your view edit blog is how you will change the way your blog appear and how it reacts. So when you are on the add edit blog, click on the plus sign to open up the menu of all the changes that you can do to the blog, and you are going to go here to the SEO option. And if you go all the way down to the bottom, you see that you have to add a Google Analytic code to your blog. And why would you add Google Analytic to your blog? Well, you want to be able to know how many people are coming to your blog every day. So you want to make sure that what you're doing is attracting the people that you want that's coming to your blog. So the way that you can find that out is by using Google Analytics. Now, how do you do that? You need to go to log into your Google account. So if you already have a Google account, go there and log in to your account. And I'm going to log into one of my Google accounts here. And so log into your account and then go to the Google Analytic page. So let's log in here. And then we're going to go to Google Analytics. So you can just go to the top and type in google.com/analytics. And you'll get the Google Analytics page. And if you are in an account, I think I'm starting new with this account. So if you're in an account that you don't have any Google Analytics on yet, then you'll just go right here and click to access Google Analytics, and it'll take you to a setup page. But if you already have Google Analytics set up, you won't get this page. And I'll show you where you would come if you have it set up already. So let's just say that you're new, you have not put Google Analytics on any blog because you're just starting out and you don't really know how to do that. Okay, so you sign into your Google account with your Google email address, type Google Analytics across the top, and then you come to the home page and you go here to access it. So what we need to do now, we need to sign up for Google Analytics. And eventually when you add or change anything about your tracking on Google Analytics, this is the page that you'll be coming to, okay? So this is for a new account, also for a new view if you want to put a second view on an account, because I have several blogs, so I put all the views under all the different blogs that I have. So you go to website, this is the section that you want to be on, scroll down, and you are going to call your account name. What is your account name? And I think it has to be just one word, or everything has to be close together as one word. And so I just type what I want the name to be all together. So my name is Carolyn Porter Blogs. Okay, so that's the name, that's my blogs. So I can put whatever blog I want here. I can put my Empower Network blog here. I can put my WordPress blog here, or whatever. So the blog that I'm going to put here is, the domain name for that is Carolyn Porter Online. So I'm just going to type that in so that when I come back here, I'll know which one I'm looking at. And I'll just type it in typing form, Carolyn Porter Online. So that's the name of that one, okay? So whenever I come back and I see that one, I know which blog I'm talking about. And then you need to put the domain address here. Note that the HTTP is already there, so you only put the www part in. So we go www. And this is my Carolyn Porter Online blog.com. So you'll put your domain name there. Select an industry, and this is, I would want to put business there, but I'm not doing industrial markets. That's way off from what I'm doing, so I won't put that there. I am going to go on internet and telecom, which is going to be the closest to what I want. And I can only do one, so I'm choosing that one. If you're in the United States, it probably will already be set up for you. Maybe it's already set up for the country that you're in, because after all, it is Google. But if you want to do it for a different country, you just go down and select the country. I am already on US. And I am on Eastern Standard Time, so just check whatever your time is, and it'll be time based on your country. And then you get tracking code. Now you got to go all through this to make sure that Google see that you've read through it. I've been through this before, so you might want to read it to see what they're saying. But it's a typical Google terms and agreement. And click it, and here it is, success. Okay, here is my tracking code. So this is my tracking code. So what I'm going to do now is copy this code, just this. So I'll copy, it's going to be a little difficult, but we'll get it. Yeah, there we go. So I just want this code. I want that code, so that's my tracking code. I'm going to copy that, carry it over here, and put it on my Empower Network blog. Remember the section here? So here is the section for the Empower Network blog. Put that on it, save changes, and you're done. Done, done, done. So now you have your tracking code. Whenever you use, or whenever people come on your blog, Google will record it over here, and you'll be able to see. And so now this is what you have for this blog. If you go look at it, you can see all web data. I had already set that one up before. And so this is all web data. Now, you remember I was saying that if you were already on Google and you come over here, you will be coming to this page. Let's say that you were already on Google from before, because you did have an Empower Network blog the old way before, and now you need to change it because it's a whole different domain name, you know, and plus it's not a WordPress blog. So you're going to come over here and pull down all website data, and you want to create a new view. And so that's just a new blog, a new domain name. You click that, and then you go through the same process that we did again with the new domain name and everything, and create a new view. Anyway, that is how you will set it up for a Empower Network, for an Empower Network blog. And that's how you will set Google Analytics up for that. Now, if you're doing it on WordPress, you do the same thing. I'm not going to go through that part again. So, and I do have it in my cursor already, the code. So let's just say that you were doing it for a WordPress blog. Here is where you will find it for WordPress. For WordPress, it's in a different spot. And if you've never done a blog before and you have a WordPress blog, my blog is set up a little different because I had it customized for me. But when you have a WordPress blog and you go to your dashboard, right, all these settings across the top will be on the side. I put mine on the top because it was so many and I didn't want to have it so much below the fold. But anyway, so you have all your settings across this along the side, and then all this is push over if you have a WordPress blog. So if you have something like that and you see that yours look different from mine, that's what it is. But in any case, you are going to go to settings. So settings usually is around right here in a WordPress blog down there on the bottom, but you see settings, right? And if you go to the bottom of settings, you have Google Analytics. So you go click Google Analytics. Again, this blog is already set up. And when you get to Google Analytics, this is where you would put the code and then just save it. And that will be to update the analytic code, but I already have it. I'm not going to do that. So I would come right in the same spot, paste this code, update it, and then I am already set up to have Google track whatever is going on my blog. If you got any value out of this, please leave comments and let me know, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.